Hey, what's up guys? Just here doing a review on the Carven Exhaust R Series. Right here. At the tip, I have a Ford F-250 exhaust tip. Came out for Super Duty. This truck comes stock with only 4 cats. I left only 2 of them on. The ones with the sensors, took the other ones off. In the engine, to make it sound a little bit better, I put a K&N intake. Yeah, the truck sounds deeper. Well, at least that's what I think. Here's a startup. I like the sound of it because it's like a deep sound, but also has a chime. I'm guessing it's because of this little cutout right here. I got the exhaust set up in 2016. Almost on it. I haven't had any problems or anything. Sorry about the wind noise too. At the idle, it sounds a little bit loud, at least inside. Just not a lot. Other than that, it sounds pretty good. You can probably hear the chime. Alright guys, here's the intake. It's just a regular K&N. You can hear it. I'm gonna go to exhaust now. My bad, it's a little bit dirty. Right now, I don't have any headers. I still have the stock manifolds on there. Thanks for watching, guys.